For over 180 years, Wolf has been designing and hand-making exquisite jewelry cases, watch boxes and watch winders. Our company has been in the same family for 5 generations. Our roots as a British company are deep, and we pay the utmost attention to detail. A Wolf stamp is one of quality. Every piece of lining, every length of hide has to come together perfectly. It starts with the raw materials. Everything is checked to Wolf's exacting standards. Nothing is overlooked. This means we skive the best leathers and we polish the perfect woods. Our watch winders must pass a rigorous 5-step quality assurance process. We test the tests so that the Wolf name is one of perfection, so that no matter what Wolf you love, you know we have finished it with precision. This is Simon Wolf. Thank you for listening.